Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we learn how to make fermented porridge at home. A very simple recipe that you are going to love. Thank you so much for stopping by and let's get started. So guys, for the fermentation process, we are going to need a small bottle like the one you see on the video, and I have put a small amount of water into the bottle. You'll see why. And then now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of porridge flour to another jar, and the flour that I used is a mixture of wimbi and mawele. You can use any other porridge flour that you've got at hand, and then you're going to take some of that water that is in the bottle, add it to the flour, and then giving it a very good mix, ensuring that no lumps are being formed. And after that, transfer the mixture to the bottle like you see on the video. You might need to use a funnel. And then after that, now just cork it so that we can shake the contents to ensure that everything comes together and that no flour is at the bottom without mixing with the water. And now be attentive here, because before putting the bottle for fermentation, you need to cork loosely. Don't cork it too tightly, because there will be some gases that will be released during the fermentation process. And 2 days later, this is how it looks like. You can see even the side view, and you are now going to cork it tightly at this point. Just shake the bottle, shake the contents to ensure that all the flour and the water come together, and then you're going to transfer some of that porridge mixture to a small bowl like you see on the video. And I left some for future use. It helps to speed up fermentation in the future, I just said to leave some small amount. And then you will need 1 cup of boiling water on a stove top, and then now add the porridge mixture, the fermented porridge mixture, and then keep stirring. You guys, do not stop stirring, because otherwise lumps will be formed, and porridge that is lumpy is not attractive at all. So just keep stirring until it starts to boil. Do not give up, keep stirring, kaza mkono, and you will get a nice porridge. And you can see it starts to boil. And also, if it happens that your porridge is too thick and you would like to have a thinner porridge, add hot water just to get the right consistency. And after boiling for roughly 10 minutes, now add sugar, and this is completely personal, like depending on your preferences. I added 3 tablespoons of sugar, and after that I added 1 lemon juice, fresh juice from 1 lemon. I added to it. It just adds to flavor and it's so delicious. And then give it a mix, cook it for another like 5 minutes, and it will be ready. So delicious, you guys, you're going to love this one. If you love porridge, give it a try, and I would like to know how it goes. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and I hope to see you guys on my next video.